Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about the tags in the HTML page. This is the basic structure of the HTML. Here we given the document type as a HTML and we will give the title as, here our heading is tags in the HTML. Save this and refresh this. See here we got tags in the HTML and this is the tag for the heading, title and the slash title. This is the tag to add the titles to the page and this is the head part. This is the tag for head and this is the tag for body here slash body, and inside the body we will give the headings, paragraphs and all. This is the tag for first heading. H1 is the tag for first heading. We will give here first heading as, here our first heading is Bhargavi tutorials. Save this and refresh this page. See here we get Bhargavi tutorials. Now we will give the second heading and the tag for the second heading is H2 and we will give the second heading as HTML tutorials. Save this and refresh this. Here the size of the heading 2 is less than the heading 1. This is the difference between the heading 1 and heading 2. There are up to 6 headings in this HTML page. Heading 1 to heading 6. The tags for these headings are H1, H2 and so on up to H6. This is the tags for heading. And the tags for paragraph. The tags for the paragraph is P. This is the tag for the paragraph. We'll give here paragraph as, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. This is our paragraph. If we save this and refresh this, see here we will get, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. This is our paragraph. And if you want to increase the size of this, we will use the command called, a tag called B. Means it will show that letter as bold. The tag for that is B. See here I am giving the tag near the like. So if you save this and refresh this, see here the like is bold here. The B tag is used to show the bold. All these are in the regular and this is bold. And the next one is I. It is used to show that in the italic. See I am adding here I. It is the command to show that word in the italic shape. Save this and refresh this. See here, the like is showing in the italic shape. So the I tag is used to show the letters or the tag or the paragraphs in the italics. And the next tag is small. Small is used to show the word in the small. See here, I am adding here small. Tutorials is looking small than the Bhargavi. So this is the tag for showing the paragraph or the words in the small. And our next tag is subscript. I will show you the example. H subscript to O. Save this and refresh this page. See here we get here H2O means 2 is in the subscript position. To get the subscript position, the tag used is sub. And the next tag is superscript. Then sup to, and this is the tag for superscript. Save this and refresh this, see here we get 10 square. This to get us power we use subscript, and this is the tag for that sup. And if you need to break a paragraph, we'll take the another paragraph, and this is our paragraph. Control this, save this and refresh. This is our paragraph tags in html. If you need to break this html and we need to get this html in the uh, another line, we will use the command break br. Br is the tag for that one. Save this and refresh this. See here, the HTML is in the next line. This is the command for breaking the paragraph or any sentences. BR, this is the tag for that. And that's all. This is the basic tags used in the HTML. Which tags, up to now, which tags we are used? First tag is small, which we can decrease the size, and the next one is B, which is used to bold the letter or a paragraph, and the next one is I, it is used to change the font into italics, and subscript to get a subscript, and superscript to get the superscript, and BR to break the line. And these all are the basic tags: head, title, body, and the HTML. These are the compulsory tags for the basic HTML. And these all are the simple tags used in the HTML. In the further video, we can go in detail about some more tags